guys, and welcome to today's lightning round of Genetics 311, Animal Lovers Edition. We're going to be learning about the synapsis of chromosomes in meiosis using pigs for reference. We need to determine whether two individuals, Hammy and Suey, the American landrace gilts, have any chromosomal aberrations prior to breeding them with the farm's boar. Each pig has two chromosomes, with the centromere being represented by a period. Let's get started. First, we will examine Hammy's chromosomal pathway, where we see that in order for the genes to line up, we must form an inversion loop after flipping the second chromosome to align the first region, which is M. It is important to note that the regions in the midst of Hammy's chromosomes that are flipped or inverted include the location of the centromere, which makes this chromosomal aberration called a pericentric inversion. The color-coded chromosomal pathway shows a crossover event occurring between regions J and K, which will result in the four chromatids shown being formed. Two of these chromatids are lacking at least one region of the chromosome and have duplications of other regions, which results in those chromatids, numbers 2 and 4, being considered non-viable. Chromatids 1 and 3 are just like Hammy's original chromosomes and don't have any deletions or duplications, making those two producing viable gametes. Next, we will examine Suey's chromosomal pathway, which is a bit simpler than Hammy's because her two chromosomes are the same, just flipped. We can easily create a chromosomal pathway to show that even during the event of a crossover between the J and K regions, Suey's four chromatids produce all the exact same regions or chromatid order. In the order of MIJ, centromere, KLHG. All of these four chromatids are lined up correctly and do not have any errors, so they are all therefore viable and will produce viable gametes. Now let's look at the fitness of these two individuals. Hammy had only two chromatids that would result in viable gametes, whereas Suey had all four chromatids that would result in viable gametes. This makes it a lot easier for Suey to be bred successfully and proves that Suey is the more fit individual. Here's my reference. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.